The Moto E22 is a slim and attractive device available in eye-soothing colors of crystal blue and Astro black. From the inside, it is loaded with amazing specs that allow users to complete their personal and professional tasks easily. Furthermore, for security purposes, a fingerprint sensor is also present on it. Talking about display and camera, there is an IPS LCD placed on the front side of the Moto E22. The size of this display is 6.5 inches, which promises to give fluid and attractive picture quality with its 270 pixels per inch pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate and 1600 by 720 pixels resolution. The aspect ratio of this waterdrop notch-equipped display is 20:9. A 16 megapixels primary camera built with an f/2.2 aperture and also a 2 megapixels depth camera built with an f/2.4 aperture are present on the rear side of the Moto E22. This dual camera setup comes with advanced features like digital zoom, ISO control, LED flash, dual video recording, etc. For the front side, there is also a 5 megapixels f/2.4 camera available that supports both moving and still photography. Know about configuration and battery. The internal functioning of the Moto E22 is managed by an octa-core dual Cortex A53 processor, 4 GB RAM and a MediaTek Helio G37 chipset. To cover users' backcourt graphical requirements, there is also a PowerVR GE8320 GPU installed in the E22. The battery capacity of the Moto E22 is 4020 mAh. It is a Li polymer battery and users will not be able to remove it from the device. About storage and connectivity, Moto E22 backcourt S users get to store their stuff in its 64 GB internal storage. Furthermore, it can also be expanded to another 512 GB using a memory card. Talking about its connectivity options, it offers the services of a GPS, Wi-Fi, 4G Volt, Bluetooth V 5.0, USB Type-C and mobile hotspot.